Hello. I was trying to share a quick tip on my drone. A couple of reasons why people get drones based on what you want to do. First of all, you have to look at your purpose. You have to look at your budget. You have to look at the time you have to fly, the quality of the camera, the range, your GPS. GPS is very important because on this video I was trying to connect my drone to my controller, but I keep having problems with my GPS signals after my drone initially hit a tree. The manufacturers promised to send me another drone. I'm still waiting for the drone to come so I can post a review. So there are lots of reasons, but I'll be showing you more videos of my flight. I have a couple of flights on this drone, okay? But don't forget to share, follow, or subscribe if you're on Facebook or YouTube.